This is a review of the Ceremonial Volcanic Isle Matcha, and the brand sent this to me so I can test out and do a review, and this was such a delicious matcha. So you've got that. I just pulled mine off so I could use a little teaspoon. That matcha is so green. Like, oh, and it just smells green. And it was absolutely delicious. Can you see? It's a very, very bright green. Very, very nice bright green. Here, maybe if I can. So how I prepared the matcha was I just had the matcha straight with hot water. You are able to do this obviously into a matcha latte as well. What's interesting about this one is that the tea fields are on Korea's southern isle of Jeju. The volcanic soil, pure water, and then through delicate shading, they harvest the first leaves. This was a ceremonial, rich umami flavor with gentle sweetness.